It is 4 a.m. I am so tired, but I booked a 6 a.m. Pilates class. Always have wanted to do this, I just never had the courage, and now today is the day. I just made a little bit of lemon ginger tea, so cheers. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna head to the Pilates class because I have to go to work right after and I won't have time, so. This is my outfit for Pilates. I have leggings from Aloe, the shirt is from Brandy, it's like a cotton tank top, and then I have an Aloe sports bra underneath, and then I have this bolero from Strawberry Western. So here we are at the wedding venue. This was the cutest, most coquette little venue ever. I really loved these rooms and everything about it was just so perfect. There was actually a little bit of overflow in the other room, so I got to get ready at this mirror and I was just having the time of my life. So we of course had to do a little photo shoot in our nightgowns that the bride actually thrifted, by the way. These were so cute and we had so much fun taking pictures and bringing the visions to life. And the lovely maid of honor made the bridesmaids each a page and we wrote letters to the bride as a little scrapbook, and I just thought this was the cutest ever. I got a hot matcha latte with almond milk and then vanilla brown sugar syrup. I got a little quiche and then these orange cardamom bites. So this is a gluten-free quiche. These are the cardamom bites. Okay, now I'm going to a shoot with my friend who actually used to own a boutique. We're gonna shoot a few new pieces and I'm so excited. I am so ready. Let's head out to the shoot now. So this is one of the outfits, but we're gonna do a bunch of outfits to shoot them all, do a lightning round, so I'm excited. Okay, we just finished the shoot. It was so much fun and so nostalgic because we used to do this like every single week for her company called Local Honey. She got me a Dubai chocolate strawberry cup and I'm like, okay, this is gonna be my dinner. Okay, so this is the Sprouts haul. I got a gluten-free chicken pot pie, some chicken salad. I love their chicken salad so much. I got this little protein cereal pack. I just feel like this is perfect for work, just like a quick little snack. I've always wanted to try this brand. If you guys have tried it, let me know. Got this for my dog. He actually really loves it so far, clearly. The birthday cake nut pods. I love this brand for creamer because it's not too much sugar and it's made with almond and coconut milk. Feel good pork soup dumplings. I've always wanted to try these. They're also on sale. These were on sale. Passion fruit mochi. I love this brand too. And then I really love this cornflake cereal and also to top on my matcha. So yeah, that's the haul.